Hi, thank you for tuning into my channel today. So today we'll be talking real estate investment. Now, my today's topic is going to be due diligence. Now, if you're a new investor, you might have come across this word before, due diligence. What is due diligence? What are the processes of conducting a due diligence in real estate property? So now, today we'll be digesting how to conduct a due diligence in a real estate property, how to be sure that what the property you are going to buy is a genuine property. Now let's start with defining what a due diligence is. Due diligence simply means investigating into the facts, the financial and physical condition of a property. One way to be sure that your agent, your surveyor or lawyer is giving you the right information about a piece of property you're about to acquire is by conducting your due diligence by yourself. In that way, you get to see it all and discover all the findings. First step you take in conducting a due diligence is to have an initial meeting with the vendor or seller. Now, this could be the real estate company or the individual who owns the property. Now, in this meeting, what you have to find out is the owner's title of the property. Example: if the property was inherited, if the property was bought, if the property was willed into the owner, a family property. These are some of the basic things you will need to know when you get to meet with the seller of the property. Now, if the seller is not the owner of the property, you have to check if he has the power of attorney. Now, this power of attorney is a document which gives a person, a third party, the right to sell a particular property on behalf of the owner. When you have the meeting with your individual, with the owner of the property, and you've gotten some of the basic information like the title of his title to the property, the reason why he wants to sell. If it's a real estate company, you to be sure that this real estate company is a genuine company, you need to do your second due diligence on the real estate company. Now, this due diligence on the real estate company is to find out if the real estate company is registered in the Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, to do that, very easy. You go to the official platform of the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC, which is www.cac.gov.ng. Now, when you go to the platform, you see when a platform opens, you click on public search. When you click on public search, you type the name of the company. Now, if the name of the company should appear, that means it is registered under the Corporate Affairs Commission. And then you see details about the companies. You might even see the names and phone numbers of the director. In doing this, you'll be certain that this company you are about to buy from is registered and they are in for the business. Now, the link to that website is in the description. So if in case you want to check it out, you can just click on the link. The second process of conducting a due diligence is to go for a physical site inspection. Now, this could be the property or the house which you want to buy. Beyond the videos you see on the internet, the pictures, or the pictures you see both on flyers and online, you need to go for a physical site inspection. Now, in that way, when you go for a site inspection, you uncover the condition of that property. You see for yourself firsthand what that property is, the location of the property, if you like to invest in that property. Now, the next step to take is to request for the title document of the property. It is very important to request for the title document in order to verify the authenticity of the title. Now, when you get the title document, there is a section of that document which is called the recital. That's where you find the file number of the property, the name of the owners, and many vital information. Now, with that information you have there, you take it to the land registry in your state to verify if that property, if the information you get from that document is corresponding with that which is in the land registry, or whether it is registered. Now, if you're working with a survey plan, it is important to take the survey plan of the property to the office of the surveyor general in your state for charting. Now, this enables you to be sure that the property you are about to acquire is not under government acquisition. When any property that is under government acquisition, it means that the government, either the federal or state government or even the local government, has plans to use that property for for the interest of the public. These plans could be to build estate, to build roads, to build drainage, etc. Please put in mind that you should not buy any property that is under government acquisition, as what it means is that the government has future plans for that property. Verifying the documents in the land registry helps you to uncover so many facts. Number one, it helps you to determine, to uncover the owner of the property. If the owner in the document tallies with the one in the land registry, that means the owner is genuine. Secondly, it helps you to know if the land is under dispute or under any court litigation. Thirdly, it helps you to know if the land is under government any government acquisition. Another step to conduct a due diligence is to ask the locals, the people living in that vicinity, about the property. You'll be surprised to know that most of the people living around the vicinity has much information about that product, about the plot of land. If it's under disputes, those people, they might be exposed to those information, and they might as well get those kind of valuable information. Now, after that, if you're buying from a real estate company, you ask for the contract of sale. Now, if you are buying from an individual, you have to get a lawyer to draft that for you. Real estate company, they usually have their own lawyers who draft out that contract of sales. Now, in that contract of sales, you get to see what you have to do in order to finalize that purchase of the property. These are the basic things you need to know, or you need to do while conducting a due diligence. Now, this list is not exhaustive. If you have other things in your mind to do in order to be sure that you are buying the right property, or in order to be sure that your interest is being protected, you do it. It's also advisable to contact a real estate agent or a property lawyer. You have to be sure that property lawyer or the real estate agent are genuine real estate agents who knows what they are doing, who have years of experience and knows what they are doing in the business. A good search on the property should help you review this following. Number one, the actual owner of the property. Number two, it helps you to review whether the property is under any court litigation. Number three, it helps you to review if the property is a proceed of crime or under any criminal investigation. Number four, it helps you to know if the property is under any government acquisition. Number five, it helps you to uncover whether any part of the property has been sold to a third party. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you find this content helpful to you, subscribe, like, and share the video to people who might get value from the video. Thank you.